Hey guys, Ian here from Harvey RV and Marine. Today I'm showcasing the Princecraft Sportfisher 23 2SRL. You'll notice first thing in the front that it is a tritoon boat. It has a full-length keel on the bottom, a splash guard and lifting strakes on every single one of these pontoons. It is the sport package, so what it also has is an underdeck spray shield. So what that does, it reduces drag, it also keeps your investment protected. And on the back of this boat, we have a powerful 150 Mercury motor. We also have right next to it a 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder, and right inside we have the internal 29-gallon fuel tank. And on the deck in the back of the boat, we have a stainless steel ski tow bar. We have a really big rear lounge, cup holders with drain outs across this entire boat. When we open this up, you'll notice just how much space we do actually have. Skeletonized rails back here for extra storage, as well as an optioned-in kill switch. And up here at the helm, we'll see this is that reversible rear lounge, as well as storage underneath the bench. This is the dinette package that this Princecraft comes with, so this table is going to have 4 cup holders, each with its own individual drain out. Then when we move over to this chair, which also can move back and forth, big thing is, this entire thing is an integrated cooler. Inside the bottom of it also has a plug that you could just take out and all that ice can drain out. And up here at the helm, where our instrument panel is, it'll give us our fuel gauge, our RPM. We also have all the levers that keep our boat up and running. So this one flipped up, we'll turn on our Bluetooth radio. We got our horn, we have our nav lights and anchor lights. This one's our mood lighting underneath the captain's chair. And then right here, we have our really bright dock lights. And up here at the front of the boat, we have a surprising amount of free walking space. Underneath each of these chairs, we'll have roto-mold storage. That goes for these ones as well. And then up front, we have our 2 swivel seats. Right next to them, we have our aerated livewell, rod holders, and extra storage with pre-wiring for a trolling motor already in it. This is our 2024 Sportfisher 2SRL. It's our holdover unit from last year. Come check it out while it sits in our showroom, 2979 Broadway. Ask for Ian.